Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2607 Nottingham Lane. We're in the beautiful Sherwood Oaks neighborhood and we're going to take a tour of this gorgeous home. As you enter your home, you're welcomed with this beautiful view of the pool and backyard. You have this entertaining kitchen that is open to your lounge area. Dining is right behind you. Utilities are through this closet, and here's a very convenient and stylish half bath.
Yeah, absolutely. The stark features of this home really makes it super nice, and especially things that I love. And as I always say, I'm a sucker for this, but this does blend in with the rest of the cabinetry here. You know, it doesn't exactly look like a cabinet, but it is custom made. It's super cool. And you also have Kenmore appliances, gas appliances, and you have the under sink here. This is a farmhouse sink. This is pretty nice as well. But as you look around this wonderful place, you see that it is exceptionally comfortable. And the way it's pointed right now really shows you exactly that. It gives you an idea how one might paint themselves into this property.
This home is just over 2,500 square feet. It was originally built in 1963 as a mid-century property and has been remodeled, reimagined, and added to.
Yeah, really the thoughtfulness that has gone into this home has been pretty amazing, really. There's access to the pool, which is always impressive. There are 3 full bedrooms down here, full bathrooms as well. And as you can see, they are exceptionally spacious down here on the first floor. And we haven't even gotten to the second floor yet. As we enter the backyard, you'll notice there is a fire pit here as well that's accompanying the casita that's over here. And a well-manageable, easily manageable yard. Of course, this is a beautiful tree. And take a look at what we have back here. This is an entertainer's dream. This is perfectly appointed, of course, with the lights, and you can easily get to it from the pool and from the kitchen. All right, welcome to the second floor. You have a closet on your right, which is quite a grand closet for your primary suite, which is here with a magnificent window that looks over the grandeur of the verdure that you see outside of this window. Of course, and it leads you into a beautiful bathroom as well.
Yes, it is all marble, lots of natural lighting and privacy. That's sometimes a tricky combination to get. And through here is a second closet that is absolutely gorgeous and glamorous with that beautiful chandelier. One thing that's really special about this property is the whole entire second floor is your primary suite.
It really is. And not only is it the primary suite where it's your private bedroom, it also leads up to a private rooftop access that you can see right here that is, it's pretty much just ascending from your private office space as well. We're going to check that out in a bit because this is quite the commercial way to get into a rooftop access space. It's really impressive. This is a cool property. Yeah, we're so lucky to be here on this rooftop right now. We have a great view of Austin, Texas right now. We can see downtown. The Hilltoppers at St. Edward's University have obviously just scored a home run. You can hear them in the distance. And also, it's just a great day to be here with this beautiful yard. You can see the pool down here. Just an exceptional property. I really look forward to showing you this property.
Yes, and thank you for watching and taking the tour with us. If you'd like to learn more about this property or any other property, contact Nick and I. We are your real estate advisors. Please like and subscribe to our videos.